Yo, so check this out. We in downtown Honolulu, waiting in traffic. About to hit up Waikiki. Sitting in the back of the truck. We got some guests from New Zealand. Matthew, Ruth, and Esther. Yeah, they're Mount Naima's grandkids. So they're sitting in front with Alpha, and I'm sitting in the back of the truck. This fat pig. I don't know if you've seen that. There's a pretty big pig. And we're going into Ala Moana downtown, passing a lower tower. Yeah, that's where we at. It's us right now. You see me? I don't know if you can even hear me, which I hope you can with all this wind. But it's been a pretty good day.